Hi guys, it's me, Shelbster. I got this Forever Rose that I'm gonna unbox for you guys today. So, a new way to express love. Okay, hold on. I gotta fix this sun. Okay, I'll try that again. So, here. It comes with this cute little card that you can write in if you're giving it as a gift to someone. It says, "For you, happy every day. I love you." It's adorable. It comes with this necklace. It's a little angel necklace. So the crazy thing about this is, like, I was looking up infinity, like, forever roses or, like, glass roses because I really wanted one for Valentine's Day this year. And I was going to get this other one, but this company reached out to me. So me and Eric decided to do this for my forever rose, and wait till you guys see it. Really pretty necklace. Not a bad chain. Not amazing, but... Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. My grandma who passed away, that's her. She was my best friend. And her favorite color was purple. It's a real purple rose, guys. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is gonna go right next to Grandma, her little memorial that we have. Oh my gosh. It's nice and padded on the inside. So that's how you can give it to them if you were to give this as a gift to someone. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at how beautiful it is. That is a real rose in there, guys. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It's like pretty good size. In love. I've got the links for the product right down below in the description box. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and demo videos. Thank you.